Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to walk you through the training management workflow in PixelsHR. This module is designed to help you create, assign, and track professional development for your entire team. To begin, log in into your PixelsHR admin account. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the training management and select trainings. This is where you build your course library. If you want to save time, click the library button at the top right corner. Here, you can browse predefined programs and simply click copy to add them to your list. Before creating your own training, it's important to configure your drop-down options. Go to the settings menu and search for training references to define your training categories, delivery method. Once these are set in settings, they will be available for selection whenever you add a new training program. To create a new training, click Add Training in the top right corner. Now fill in the essential details like code, title, and select the category you just configured. And also you can select delivery method and define the number of questions, pass percentage for assessment, and describe the registration process and description. Once finished, click Save. After creating the training, we need to add modules. Click on the training name to enter into the details page. First, you can see the training overview. Below that, we have training modules. Click Add Modules icon. Enter details like code, module title, duration, and display order. It's a sequence of the module. Here you will see two key options. Is required module. If you check this, employees must complete this module. Is assessment module. If you check this module becomes a test module. You can attach files, add summary, and add a detailed description. And click Save once done. Now let's understand what happens if is assessment module is checked. You can now add questions, question title, multiple options, and correct answer. If you enable multiple answer question, employees can select more than one correct option. This is useful for scenario-based test. If is assessment module is unchecked, instead of questions, you will see a content swap page layout. Here's how it works. Left side, you'll add image or short title. On the right side panel, add detailed content that appears when the left item is clicked. This creates an interactive learning experience. You can always view, edit, and delete modules using the action buttons. Now, let's move on to the allocations tab. This section allows administrators to assign trainings and monitor employee progress. Here you will see a list of all previously assigned trainings. The list shows employee name, training name, and due date, priority, and the status. To assign a training, click a new assignment in the top right corner. Now let's fill in the details like training name. Select from the drop down list of created trainings. Employee, choose the employee who needs to complete the training. Training manager, select the person who is responsible for overseeing this training. Repeat frequency, set how often the training should repeat. Set the due date, select the task priority. Allocate to vacancy applicant. If you set it true, the system will show applicants from recruitment who have accepted job offers. This is useful for onboarding training before joining. Once all fields are filled, click create. The training is now successfully assigned. Viewing assigned training details. Click on the assignment name. You will see the details page. Here you can track training modules, completion status, and overall progress percentage. Now let's briefly understand the planning section. The plans allow you to group multiple trainings into a structured learning path. Click on the Create New in the top right corner. Fill in the details like training code, training plan manager, who is responsible for overseeing this training plan. Instead of assigning trainings one by one, you can bundle them and assign as a complete learning journey. You can select one or more trainings from here, and you can select employees individually, or else you can set it from setting the details in the department. And click create plan. This is useful for employee onboarding and department based training programs. If this helped you, please subscribe for more walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.